How to change your username on Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to change your lock screen username on your Windows 10 or 11, so here's what you need to do. So it's a simple process. So first thing first, just head over to your search bar and simply searching for control panel on your device. And once you're searching for that, if you have different view over here, then you can always choose between this category option to view by to select large icons or small icons. So if you are seeing like this, that means your icons are small. You can just tap on this and simply click on large icons to view it. And now all you have to do is just tap on this user accounts option over here. Once you select it, you should see the option that is change your account name after once you're inside their page. And you can just tap on the first option that is change your account name, obviously. And from over here, all you have to do is just enter your new name that you'd like to change and simply click on change name. And just like that, you should be successfully able to change your name on your Windows 10 or 11. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.